Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today is 92nd day of recording myself and I am here on 92nd day, means 92nd day to record here. And today I am also going to record myself for 30 minutes. So let's begin. So today I will start with my routine, what I have done, because it is very necessary to just keep a reminder of the routine, daily routine which I do. And I also am describing it because of the to being to improve myself. And the thing this sorry. Okay, right in the morning when I wake up, I just came into this kitchen because that is my room. You can see over there, that one is my room. And then I just come out from my room and just went into the kitchen. I take a big glass and huge glass and fill water into that and just drink it all, because first in the morning I feel like I am dehydrated, and for providing hydration to my body I just need to have water. And I'm also I have increased the water, I have increased the amount of water which I take every day. It is also because of I feel there is impurities in my inside me. That is why all this has happened. And I just want that everything, just every impurities come out from my come out from my body. And trust me, I sweat a lot. When I'm going to enter into the kitchen, I am just after lighting the gas, I will just I am taking bath of sweat. It is just my whole t-shirt become wet. So I just keep on drinking more water. So that is why I'm just releasing more sweats from my body. So that is why I just bath twice a day, because one in the morning when I after cooking and everything which I do, I generally in the morning I cook, and then after I just come into this kitchen again because I love living on this floor. This is my favorite place. This floor is my favorite. I just feel happy on this floor. Otherwise, on the ground floor and upper of that second floor, just don't feel good. First floor is my first floor is very nice for me. It I just love this place. So I spend lots of my time over here on this floor. So just after cooking I just come on this floor. I do face wash, I apply sunscreen and everything, whatever doctor told me to apply. I had my medicine, and then I just directly after doing my skincare I just went into the bathroom and then I took bath. Then after I just come out of the, and then again I just went on the ground floor and made for myself a tea. Made tea for me and my elder sister. Sometimes she also cook, and both of us prepared tea, but someday she do and someday I does that. So this keeps on happening. After making the tea, I just come again. I come into my room and then switch on the TV. We watch Big Boss, and recently we have started to watch a new reality show whose name is Rise and Fall. After watching both of the episode, we like lie down like very nicely, and after today, I'm talking about today. So after doing that, I had like nap of half an hour. After getting up, when I get up, my father reached home. I just went into the kitchen and just serve him food. After that, I went on like second floor. I have done couple of questions. I have practiced interview questions, couple of questions like why should I hire you, why do you want to join the company, and what are your salary expectation, and about yourself, tell me about yourself. These kind of questions I have practiced. And after that, what I did, okay, now I'm going to just describe all the questions which I have like prepared. So first question was, why should we hire you? So as a fresher, I don't have work experience, but I am a quick learner, a very hard working person and ready to learn new things, and I adapt new environment quickly, and I am a team worker. That's all. Okay, after that, what was the another question? Why do you want to work here? So, I admire your company. I admire your company commitment to innovations and customer satisfaction. As my research, your company is a growing company, and I love jewelry, and I love wearing jewelry, and I am passionate about jewelry and eager to help customer to find their perfect pieces that reflects their personal style and their special occasions. So this is the another question. And other thing is, how will you manage stress, uh, what you will do in like when you are stressed or in pressure? So for that, like when I'm going to answer is what is going, sorry. So I don't, sorry, let me like think 1 second. How do you like manage stress? I am, as a individual, I focus on what is important, and I okay, let me now, I'm little confused, but let me now, I prioritize what is important and focus on getting it done and well done. I don't respond to the stress, but to the situation. I analyze the situation and work according, and I didn't realize it's just that I am learning things and I need to like fit it into my mind, but it is not fitting. I analyze the situation and take action that will avoid negative stress. So I will answer this question again. So the answer is, I prioritize what is important and focus on getting it done and well done. I don't respond to the stress but to the situation. I analyze the situation and focus on and take actions that will avoid negative stress. So this is the answer. What are your weaknesses and what are your strengths and weaknesses? So talking about the weaknesses, I get impatient when the work projects past deadline. The project, when I'm not able to complete the project on time, I become impatient and uncomfortable. Talking about my strengths, I am a quick learner, a very hardworking person, and ready to learn new things, and continuous learning is my strength. So after that, do you have any questions for us? So yes, I do have a question. If you allow me to ask, I do have a question. How does Tanishq stay ahead of the trends in the jewelry industry? So this is my question. If they are going to ask me like, why do you have any question for me, then I will just answer this question like, yes, yes, I do have a question. If you allow me to ask, how does Tanishq stay ahead of the trends in the jewelry industry? So after that, there is another question: how will you manage multiple tasks when you are given multiple responsibility at a time? So for that, when I got multiple opportunities, multiple tasks to responsibility, when I got responsibility of doing multiple tasks, I will create a detailed schedule. I will create a detailed schedule, and I will allot dedicated time to each task. By staying organized, talking effectively with the team, I will successfully get the work done within the respective time, or within the given respective time. So this is the another question. One more question. Tell me about yourself. That has like detail something. So I'm not going to tell you here, but I'm just going to be like describe it all. So first of all, thank you for giving me this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Juhi. I am from Bihar. I have completed my graduation from Patliputra University. I have completed my intermediate of science from Nalanda Open University, and I have completed my schooling from School of Creative Learning, CBSE board. Talking about my family, I belong to a nuclear family, and I have 7 members in the family. Five of us are siblings, and a mother and a father. So after that, my short-term goal is to get job in a reputed company, and my long-term goal is to get good position in the company like yours. So after that, I will talk about my strengths. My strengths are I am a quick learner, very hardworking person, and ready to learn new things, and I can communicate effective communication skills, and that's all. Talking about my weaknesses, I get impatient when when I'm not able to complete the work on time. And then my hobbies are reading books, dancing, singing, and applying mehndi. Like applying mehndi is my very nice. I love that most. Lastly, I believe in continuous learning. Thank you. That's all about me. Thank you so much. So that was all that I think I have covered all kind of questions. So what are your salary expectation? I didn't prepare this question, but as a fresher, I am just focusing on getting experience and enhancing my skills. But talking about my expectation would be from range 16 to 20k as per my experience and as per my skills. And other than that, I am open to discuss about the salary. So this question is like I have prepared with my own, and I need to like work upon this question again. So these were like some kind of questions which I was like I am preparing, so that if I am going to give interview anywhere, because I am just finding a job and right now I need to get a job within this range. I just want it. So that is why I'm just preparing if I will get an opportunity, or I am finding also some kind of job. So if there is going to be an interview, I will just answer that all the questions without getting agitated. So right now I'm having like green pulses. So that's all. And after like I was describing my day, after preparing all this question, I have also read several kinds of questions, like about what is 4C's diamond. 4C diamonds are cut, clarity, color and carat weight. So and differences between KT and CT. So KT is this KT is used for measuring the purity of the gold, and CT is used for measuring the diamond weight, means carat weight, gemstone weight. And KT is called carat, KARAT, and CT represents CARAT, carat. And 1 carat equals to 200 milligrams. And moreover, what is jewelry? So jewelry is a decorative item want to like self adornment, and it is made up of like metals and some kind of gemstone. Material used to make jewelry is gold, silver, platinum and gemstone like diamonds and rubies. So after this I read some more kind of questions. Right now I am not able to remember that questions, but these are the questions which I have prepared. So after getting done with that, I just came back into the room. I saw a cartoon in English. After that I just come in this room and I open the fridge and look for vegetables, that I was deciding that what I am gonna cook for today's dinner. So in dinner I made long beans and potato veggies. And with that I made chapatis, and it took me like 1.5 hours to cook. So after getting done with that, I just came into my room. I took a bath again. After taking bath, I am here to record myself. And after getting done with this session, I will wash my face, and after washing my face, I will what I will do, I will apply medicines, ointment on my face. because I'm feeling good that my skin is healing. I'm very happy about it. Right now, I'm feeling thirsty. So this was all about my day. And now I'm thinking of describing something else. So it's just that I'm working on YouTube. I have started some I'm not able to be consistent on YouTube. I told you that we have started a new a channel that it will grow, but when no viewers come, I was clear about this channel that I have not opened this for gaining views or anything. I was clear about this, but the channel which I opened recently, it was I was thinking that it's gonna do good. It was doing good in starting, but I don't know what happens right now. It is making me I'm just becoming impatient after that. I'm feeling something which is I now I need to stop eating right now. Okay, I'm not prepared for this. I was very happy in starting when I was getting views and everything, but now the views are completely stopped. I don't know why, but it may be also because of my inconsistent behavior, because I'm not consistent on the YouTube. So that is why this is also going to be a problem for me. I think I find it a problem, but I am working upon it, and I have already told you that I am preparing pandal for Durga Puja. So Navratri is coming, and me and my elder sister, we both are going to fast, and I will fast, but one time I will have food, but that food does not, it will not contain garlic, onions, and a white salt. I will eat a food made up of pink salt and rock salt. After that, I will have food only for one time, and other than that I will have fruits, but I don't like fruits that much. I whenever I have done last year I was started this fasting, and last year I did I have I ate for the one time food, and after that in the morning I had tea only. So that's all I do, but this time I don't know about what I'm going to do. With 30 minutes is very hard thing. I'm just thinking what I will talk and what I will not. So this is the mung dal which my grandmother bought. So early in the morning I just put this into water so that it gets soaked, and now it is perfect for eating. So that is why I'm just traveling around. I'm just walking around and eating this. I don't know about my brother that today he has recorded himself or not, but I will tell him that go and record yourself. So I was my sister was calling me for taking the milk and she was giving me the milk to keep it in a refrigerator. My refrigerator is already full. There is no space. I need to make space in it. Can you see how full it is? It is there is no space. So now I have created some space for keeping the milk, and that's all. She has also sent me like a link of a sari, cotton sari, and she is saying that that link is not working in her phone and she is not able to order. She is telling me to like try if it is going to work in my phone or not. So that is the another thing which she has given me. And my both the sister and my brother, both my siblings are watching television right now, and with them my father is also watching, and they are having their dinner. I already told you what I have cooked in dinner today, but I am sweating a lot. You can see like this right now also. I have just taken a bath just half an hour back, and now this is my condition. It's sweating. Look at this. I just keep on wiping my face in t-shirt only. How many times I'm going to like use hanky and everything? I don't use anything. I just use my t-shirt. That is why like there must be something fishy in it, in this process which I do. So I have like nothing to tell right now, but I need to like keep this in fridge, because if I'm going to leave it overnight, it is going to smell in the morning. So if I will not keep it in the fridge, it will smell and nobody is going to have this. So I'm just going to put it into the fridge so that it get cold and it will not smell tomorrow. And in afternoon it became our habit to eat soaked gram and this pulses. It is our habit now, and I have already told you couple of times that I feel like very hungry in afternoon. I don't know, in afternoon like it is like it become my habit. I keep on searching for food, although I have eaten food, but I just need something to like munch, and munching it became my habit. So that is why I just keep it for like to have this in afternoon. And it's already 28 minutes is going to complete. What I can tell you more thing, look at this. There is like lots of clothes, and I do arrange clothes on this. I do arrange clothes on this, but whenever my sister comes, she keep on telling me that you don't just fold the cloth and keep it in a proper manner. Whenever I come, I do the things. You are not doing everything, and blah blah. She keeps on saying, and this is one of the reason of fighting between both of us. It is the reason of quarrel between us. It is because whenever she says this, I just get hyper, and my hyperness I'm not able to control. If someone is like going to tell me that you are not doing this, in spite of I am doing everything. I'm not saying that I am doing everything, but I do work a lot. But after doing such many kind of work, if you are going to tell me that you are not doing this, I just get hyper after just hearing this one thing, and we both start to fight. And after some time, our fight gets like over, and it is very nice. I love this process. Sometimes fighting is like encourage me. So with this, describing my day and answering couple of questions, interview questions, I am just going to end this session right here. Till then, do like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye guys. Bye. Love you all. Bye bye.